The prosecution has accused Wright of conspiring to hide sewage breaches by creating fake no-flow events between 2012 and 2017. Operator self-monitoring is enabling firms to control sampling and reporting, which is allowing potential misreporting to go unchecked. This will force regulators to replace self-monitoring with independent testing, and will increase scrutiny and costs for water companies. A Vatican canonical trial has continued after a blog report suggested an acquittal, and officials say judges are still examining diocesan and Jesuit files. Victims' lawyers are pressing for transparency and are challenging a confidential process that is keeping them in the dark while documents are being reviewed. The handling of the trial will influence pressure for canonical reform and will affect public trust in Pope Francis's commitment to accountability. The United States and Saudi Arabia have signed a 30-year civilian nuclear cooperation pact that allows U.S. help to build Saudi nuclear infrastructure and could permit domestic uranium enrichment afterward. The deal is reflecting a strategic trade. Washington is prioritizing industrial ties and influence by enabling U.S. firms and Saudi energy diversification while loosening some historical non-prolifera. The congressional review will shape enforcement and potential limits. If a joint study recommends enrichment and construction follows, the Gulf will face higher verification demands and greater risks. Daniel Siad has died in Colombes, France, while under investigation over links to Jeffrey Epstein's network. Autopsy results are pending. Prosecutors are re-examining Epstein files that name Siad and are widening inquiries into modeling contacts in Paris, New York, and Miami to corroborate victim accounts. This will force investigators to prioritize other witnesses, press for more document releases, and intensify civil suits as victims seek evidence without Siad's testimony. The U.S. has appointed Scott Bessent to lead AI talks with China ahead of Xi's visit, scheduling technical negotiations before political commitments. Washington is prioritizing a technical, step-by-step approach and is framing discussions around model definitions, export controls, and standards rather than grand bargains. These talks will create a baseline for follow-on negotiations and will likely produce non-binding technical agreements that shape future governance and industry behavior.